We are visionaries. We believe in the power of education. We shape the future. We invest in tomorrow, today. We see the potential in youth and drive them forward. Committed to creating leaders of tomorrow, we bring innovation to life. Provide the tools, the environment, and the opportunity. We bridge the gap between education and jobs. We prepare our students to lead, create, transform. Building a community where potential meets opportunity. We empower, invest, inspire. Committed to empowering the next generation of leaders. ELSEWEDY University of Technology, educating youth for employment.